Hello everyone and welcome to Twoguysfinance channel. For anyone with a Bank of America account, finding your account number is a simple process. Here are the most common and secure methods to do so in 2025. 1. On a paper check. If you have a checkbook, your account number is printed on every check. Look at the bottom of the check for a series of numbers. The first 9 digits are your routing number, the number in the middle is your account number, and the number on the far right is the check number. 2. Through online banking, this is a quick and secure way to find your account number. Log in to your Bank of America online banking account. Navigate to your account details section. You will see your account number listed there. For security reasons, you may need to click a show link or follow a prompt to reveal the full number. 3. Using the mobile app. Similar to online banking, the mobile app provides easy access to your account details. Open and log in to the Bank of America mobile app. Select the account you need the number for. Your account number, along with your routing number, will be available in the account details or information section. 4. On your bank statement, your account number is always included on your monthly bank statements. If you receive paper statements, it will be printed on the statements. If you've gone paperless, you can access your statements digitally through your online banking portal or the mobile app. 5. Calling customer service. If you are unable to use any of the above methods, you can always call Bank of America's customer service line. A representative will be able to provide you with your account number after verifying your identity. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.